I'm against child abuse because I believe that you should not hit someone that's physically weaker than you, and you shouldn't just hit children, period.
As a student, I promise to be a lookout for child abuse and to educate my peers and other people regarding this very heavy and sensitive issue.
I am a child lover and I strongly disagree on this child abuse because I believe that every person's success or outlook in life depends on his or her childhood.
Parents, please try and make your kids feel you are their parents. Make them feel they are secured. Make them feel that they are under the umbrella of their parents. You don't need to abuse a child. You don't need to make the child feel frustrated. And most times child abuse can cause suicide attempts. Most times child abuse can cause isolation, stigmatization, and low self-esteem. Please, we should stop child abuse to help the kids around the world.
As an educator, I am against child abuse because every child has the right to live in an environment that is free from violence.
With issuance of its Child Protection Policy, DepEd Order No. 40 Series of 2012, the Department seeks to provide a stronger and more encompassing framework that will enable the education community to ensure that all school children are protected in our public schools. And as the administrator of the school, I will see to it that every learner are protected and safe. So, as one of our trusts, that is a child-friendly school.
Bilang isang guro na kilala bilang pangalawang magulang ng mga mag-aaral, tungkulin kong magturo sa mga mag-aaral ng mga kabutihang asal at mga wastong pagpapahalaga. Ang pagiging guro ay hindi lamang ang pagtuturo ng iba't ibang asignatura ng mga mag-aaral, kundi bagkos, obligasyon ko din na turuan sila kung ano ba dapat ang kanilang mga taglayin nang sa ganon maging responsable silang mga mag-aaral, hindi lamang sa loob ng paaralan, kundi maging mga responsable mamamayan ng kanilang pamayanan at ng buong bansa ng Pilipinas.
Open your eyes, be a lookout for child abuse.
Open our ears, learn and take part in this sensitive issue.
Open your arms, care for children in need.
Open our mouths, speak words of love and encouragement. Open our hearts and give love to everyone and let them know that someone cares.
I am a Lorminian and I am against child abuse.